I got the craziest email today. But the email didn't go into my inbox. It went into my spam folder. Okay, these things are called folders. Folders. Okay, now another name for the spam folder is junk mail. Junk mail. Junk means garbage. Okay, if something is junk, that means you don't want it anymore. Like maybe in your house, underneath your bed, there's a ton of junk, just old things that you never use, okay? That's called junk. Okay, now the subject of this email was male enlargement pills. Okay, male means man, female means woman, right? Enlargement means to make bigger. And pills, well, that just means like pills, like medicine, right? Now, the body of the email said this: permanent, bigger size. Okay, the word permanent means forever. The opposite of permanent is temporary. Temporary means maybe 1 day, 2 days, a week, a month. It's just temporary. If it's permanent, it lasts for the rest of your life. Okay, permanent, bigger size, longer, thicker, firmer. Okay, longer, thicker, firmer. Firm means hard. Okay, and then it said, add 5 inches to your penis in 6 weeks. Wow, 5 inches in 6 weeks. Okay, 5 inches is about 12 centimeters. Wow, okay, then it said this: order today, discreet shipping. Discreet means secret, okay? That means the box is not going to have anything written on it like penis enlargement, okay? Because that would be really embarrassing, right? If it said, to Mark, penis enlargement. That would be so embarrassing. Imagine if my family saw the box. Wow, that would be a really embarrassing situation, okay? So then it said fast delivery. Okay, delivery means the amount of time it'll take to get to my house. Okay, so if I order today, maybe it'll take 1 or 2 days to get to my house. Okay, then it said satisfaction guarantee. Okay, satisfaction basically means happiness. Okay, guarantee means definitely. You will definitely like this product. Okay, if I don't like it, maybe I could get my money back. Okay, that's what satisfaction guarantees. They're saying you're definitely going to love this product. So I want to know, do you think I should buy these pills? Do you think it's a good idea or a bad idea? Let me know down there in the comments, and I'll see you over in the next episode of Mad English TV. Take care.